These maps are quite unique. They show the Earth's surface, not just roads or simple towns. They show the land's true shape. The hills, the valleys, the slopes. This is called topography, helping us see in 3 dimensions, all on flat paper. Why are these maps so vital? Many people use them often. Hikers find their winding way, scientists study the ancient land, engineers plan new great structures. Even farmers can truly benefit, understanding their own fields, guiding vital exploration. Look closely at these fine maps. You will see many symbols, lines, distinct colors and numbers. Each tells a part of the story. Blue lines might be rivers. Green areas could be forests, but most curious are contour lines. These lines show actual height. The map shows something called relief. Relief is the height variation from the lowest to highest point. It describes the land's ruggedness. Is the land flat or steep? Gentle slopes or high mountains? Topographical maps answer this. Now let us see contour lines. These are the map's clever trick. Imagine the land gently flooded, then the water level slowly drops. Each old waterline is a contour, a line of equal height. They rarely, if ever, cross, except for an overhanging cliff. Each contour line has a number. This number is its elevation. It tells how high that land is. Think of slicing a mountain like layers in a large cake. Each slice is perfectly flat. The edge of each slice, a contour. This shows the mountain's shape. Space between contours is key. This is the contour interval, the difference in actual height between one line and the next. It might be 10 meters or 20 feet. The map legend will tell you. Flat areas have small intervals, mountains larger intervals. Some contour lines are thicker. These are index contours. Often every 5th line drawn, their elevation is printed on them. This makes reading heights easier. No need to count every line. Just find the nearest index one, a helpful guide for the eye. How do maps show a hill? Look for closed contour circles, one circle inside another, like ripples in still water. The smallest innermost circle, that marks the top of the hill. Close lines mean a steep hill. Far lines, a gentle slope. Ridges are like long hills, a chain of high ground. Map contours form U-shapes or sometimes V-shapes there. These shapes point downhill, away from the ridge's crest. This shows the ridgeline, the backbone of highland. Sometimes you see tiny lines. These are called hachurs. They can show steep slopes, short lines beside the contours. Or they can mark depressions, such as a pit or hollow. Closed contours with hachurs in, showing the ground sinks there. What about flatlands, plains? Here, contour lines are far apart, very widely spaced indeed. This means the land is not steep. Elevation changes very slowly. It could be almost quite flat, or just a very gentle slope. Unlike rugged, steep mountains, cliffs are dramatic features. How do maps show them? Contour lines are very close, almost touching each other. Sometimes they seem to merge. On very steep cliffs they might. This shows a sudden drop or a near vertical rock face. Valleys are low areas between hills or mountains. Rivers often flow through them. Contours also form V-shapes here, but the V points uphill towards higher ground upstream. This is opposite to a ridge, showing where water gathers. To read maps well practice, take your map outdoors, find a hill shown on it, match the contours to the land, look for ridges or valleys, compare their shapes on map and ground. This builds your understanding. The map comes alive. Always check the map's scale and the contour interval value. These are vital for judging distance and also the steepness of slopes. With practice, you will improve. Reading these maps becomes easy, unlocking the land's secrets. Explore with new confidence now.